Even though the sun is out right now, my finger feel really cold. But there's a trick that I want to show you guys, or tell you guys, is when you should do this trick if you guys want to know when to plant your cold season vegetables outside, by doing winter sowing. Because this is what I did with these vegetables in these containers. I did winter sowing. Winter sowing is when you use a clear container to keep seedlings inside, and you cover them. But before you cover them, you need to pierce holes in the container at the bottom and at the top. There's holes in there to let in rain and to let the plants be able to breed once they start to sprout. I went to sow these vegetables about February 19, and today when I came out, they start to sprout. Sometimes the temperature will go down to minus 6 degrees in the nighttime, and sometime in the daytime it will go up to 10 degrees. These vegetables that is in here is bok choy, lettuce, mustard green, and I noticed all of the mustard green and lettuce, they're starting to sprout. Not all of them, but a few of them starting to sprout in the container. And this is giving me a sign that I can start. This is bok choy. This is giving me a sign that I can start plant more cool season vegetables outside, directly in the soil or in containers. So that's I'm really happy about that. So that's a tip. You can start planting your sugar snap peas. It's been raining a lot lately, so I'm just trying to remove the water from the lids from the rain. You can sugar snap peas, snow peas, lettuce, cilantro, spinach, radishes. Actually, I started, these are radish and arugula. I started these like a few weeks ago indoors, and after they start to sprout, I put them out here a couple of days after that, a few weeks ago, and they survived the cold weather. I am gonna plant these little seedlings next week, or maybe this week if I get a chance. So that's a tip that you guys can do.